Bitcoin maximum disappointment in Hong Kong and those ETFs. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. And today we have bad news. Cause breaking news, we have the first day for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs in Hong Kong, which is awesome. They have this countdown.
You can see the countdown has started.
四、三、二、一，枪！
Ready to go. We have those ETFs operating. Everybody's so happy about that. But we were expecting more than the launch in United States. That was 125 millions into the ETFs. And we expected like $300 million, something like that, for this first day. Well, as time of recording, we are just $6 million, which is crazy. It's not even close to the 300 million promise from the issuers. So this is not a good sign whatsoever. That's probably why Bitcoin is going down today. Here, Borowski saying, well, this is better than nothing. And some people believe this is worse than nothing. Because if there's no money whatsoever coming in, maybe you think there's something wrong, there's a technical issue or something like that. But if you have 6 million there, there's something. So yeah, but that's not so many, not so much. Crazy stuff. Hong Kong spot ETF, just this 6 million, which is a huge disappointment. But what you need to know about these ETFs, well, you need to consider these highlights. We expected the largest first day from USA, and we didn't. But we have some interesting differentiations. For example, you have in-kind redemptions, and also you have spot redemptions. So this is interesting for miners, for example, of people that they have Bitcoin, real Bitcoin. Well, they can turn it into those ETFs. That's something you can do in United States. Also, you have wallet-to-wallet transfers. You need to consider that mainland Chinese investors are not allowed to invest in Hong Kong. And this was kind of experiment for China. So the experiment so far, not good whatsoever. Hong Kong users also do not care about Ethereum being declared a security by the SEC in United States. Also, a very important difference there is that, well, you don't have grayscale there. So the starting point is 0. There's no previous found. So allegedly it was a better situation for this ETF, and it's not growing. Also, about Ethereum, well, again, they don't consider it to be a security in Hong Kong. And you can see that investors do not believe it's a problem if in United States they are considered a security in the future, because they are trading right now, even though probably without any volume. We'll see about that in tomorrow's show. We have Ethereum chart going down also as Bitcoin is. Maybe we're going to bounce in this line I draw for you, or maybe the $3,000 will be support enough. We'll see also about that. And if you are sad, if you are concerned right now, it's okay. You have here 779 billion Bernstein saying that the slow Bitcoin ETF flows are a short-term pause, so money will come back eventually. Even though Bitcoin is now going down, we're at 62,000. Very interesting point to see if we close as the second monthly best close in Bitcoin history. The market is in the red right now. Some bubbles are fighting to be in the green, like Pepe, the meme coin. And maybe for Bitcoin, we need to touch this parallel channel I drew some time ago. You want to know everything about crypto? Remember to watch all our videos. Yesterday we told you about that bad news from Russia. Today we have this bad news from Hong Kong. Seems that we are running out of good news for Bitcoin. This is so sad. But let's think about the RSI and said here telling us that anytime that Bitcoin touches the 38 line, it bounces back, and we are touching it right now. So maybe his trading view, and it's true that, well, even though sometimes it's a very little, we bounce. This is a pattern that he found. Any case, remember, I do not recommend trading. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but sometimes you find a pattern like this. It can go well. It can go so wrong. And again, we'll see about the close of today candles. This monthly will be the first red candle since August. We are not going to have this green period of time continuing. We have a red one, 7 times. This was an all-time for Bitcoin, but it's not going to be an eighth. And we'll see if it's the second close. Again, we needed to hold in 62 something in order to do that. And we will consider next video about what's going to happen in May. You remember last video, it's allegedly supposed to be on the green because of the halving event, but also we have the last 3 Mays in the red for Bitcoin history. So are you greedy or are you fearful? Well, the market keeps on being greedy, and you might be more scared about some fiat currencies out there. Like, for example, this is the chart of yen versus US dollar this morning. The world's third biggest currency, fiat, is acting like a meme coin. Crazy stuff out there too. And some bad news to be concerned about. Phoenix and Wasabi now holding operations in United States due to regulators. These decisions comes after the SEC and Gary Gensler went until to Samurai Wallet and with the sue of MetaMask and Consensus. If you want to know more about this, of course, go to this video. We told you everything you need to know. And maybe it's time right now, as of this piece of information, of having your own cold wallet. Trezor is our favorite. You have a link in the description below, also in our web page, funontheright.com. You're going to find links to our videos, also in our channel, YouTube, of course. So you have free courses and you can learn how to use these cold wallets. Start today. Why not? And remember, if you use a Trezor, the only way for someone to access your accounts is to have a copy of your recovery seed, your unlocked wallet, so you are protected even from governments. And telling you about our partners, not just Trezor, but Bybit. Thank you to all of them. So you have all this information for free every day. You have a debit crypto card. You can make up to 25 euros if you use the link in the description below. And it seems we have good news, because today I came here to tell you it was just one more day for IRL campaign, but it seems that we have one more month. So happy news, you can make there 15 euros or US dollars. So link in the description below again and take the opportunity. And if you are scared, if you are concerned about the market conditions, well, consider that MicroStrategy just bought 122 more Bitcoin with $7.8 million. So all the money that is in those ETFs in Hong Kong, just with MicroStrategy in the United States, they keep on buying. Also, if you were into Eigenlayer airdrop, it seems it's going to be this May, but community is not happy whatsoever because they are going to give just 5% to holders, and it's going to be not free. I mean, like, you can't move it right away. You have to wait some time. So, yeah, community is not happy, and they are expecting these VCs and the responsibles there to change their mind about this airdrop. If you want more information about this, you can find the link to this article in the description below. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. And the last today about ordinals and Donald Trump. We have former US President Donald Trump's NFT team inscribing its first Bitcoin ordinal. They will live on Bitcoin for all eternity. Is that something that we want? Well, I don't know. A lot of crazy news today, so let's rest for a little bit. like these two cats just watching through the window the rain in Hong Kong, waiting for better news and price of Bitcoin going up in the future. If you want to keep on learning, remember we have an AI channel, AI News. We have today a new video more about robots and so many other things, ChatGPT memories and more stuff. And if you want to keep on learning, but not about AI, but about crypto, then just watch one of our videos, 1,800 videos here on Crypto News. We are researching already for tomorrow's Crypto News. Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!